Megan Chen. This is another video in the series of video on helping your child to learn how to use I and you correctly. All right, so this specific one is a troubleshooting video. So please use the tips only if you feel that it seems to address the specific difficulty that your child has. Okay, you might recognize this prop from a previous video. So what happens is that this is a me, right? This is for you if you're the child. So a parent or a teacher might be aiming to teach a child to ask for what he wants. So from Jason's perspective, he should be saying, right, if we have the different parts, and Jason's asking from his perspective, he should be saying, I want the fire truck, right, in order to get what he wants. So he's not asking for this. I want the fire truck. Now, I've noticed that with some students, right, because as we said, the difficulty is with the perspective, right? So we might be thinking that, hey, we're helping Jason to ask for what he wants and show him what to say. I want the fire truck, okay? But what I've noticed that with some children, what happens is that they actually find it threatening and they don't want to say the sentence because to them, what they hear is that, oh, Miss Megan just said that she wants the fire truck. She's going to take that away from me, right? Because they just heard Miss Megan say, oh, see, you say, I want the fire truck. Okay, so I've noticed that with some students, they may have some resistance or, you can tell from their facial expression or their body language that they don't really want to say it, they don't like it. So what I've found works is that instead of saying I and you straight away, okay, so rather than teaching Jason to say, I want a fire truck, I might say, oh, all right, here we go. Fire truck is for Jason. I want the fire truck. All right, so Jason wants a fire truck. And notice I tend to relate, exactly at the time when he sees that he's going to get a fire truck, that's when he will hear the sentence. So the fire truck, Jason wants a fire truck, or fire truck is for Jason. I want the fire truck. So we use the name, right, so that he knows that, oh, yes, right, Miss Megan knows that this is for Jason, right? Miss Megan is not going to take it away. I might actually add, okay, so the panda bear for Miss Megan, the fire truck for Jason. I want the fire truck. Okay, so the main point is to understand how what is holding a child back. So you may be teaching the sentence, but what may be holding him back is that he doesn't want to say it. He thinks that, that's not the outcome that he wants. All right, so I will start with using the names first, so he's much clearer as to, okay, who is getting what. And he knows that, okay, fire truck, Jason is the one getting it. But he also gets to hear the sentence that he should be saying from his perspective, because he associates this getting what he wants with. So Jason say, I want the fire truck. That's when you add it. Okay, so we've got to know what's holding a child back and how to teach. So this is just one of the troubleshooting tips if you find that, you're having difficulty teaching your child saying sentence. I hope you found this useful. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment as well so that I know that you're interested in more videos on this topic. All right, thank you.